In a distant star system, a solar sail drifts through a stellar nursery, catching dust motes like silver confetti. Mission planners explain how tiny photons push gently, turning light into momentum without burning fuel. As newborn planets swirl, the sail reveals a path to deep space exploration that honors sustainability and long-term human presence. Researchers compare this to early heliocentric voyages, showing how light can enable bold, affordable interstellar probes. The video invites viewers to imagine future fleets powered by sunlight guiding humanity to ocean worlds beyond familiar red planets.